I'm McKenna Van Wyck, and this is my audience.
Hi.
Okay. Now. Okay. Everyone needs storage. Everyone uses holders to store miscellaneous items. Everyone needs some containers to put their trash or their little desk toys in. When we don't have storage containers easily available to us, we make do with what we have already in our desk. I have been making these particular storage containers since I was probably 7 or 8 years old, so I would say that I would consider myself an expertise in making these storage containers. Today, I'd like to demonstrate how to make a box out of paper. To start, you'll need your hands, a table, and a sheet of paper. Do you want this paper? Okay. Now, you will start by folding it hamburger style, which means fat ways. You're going to make a crease, then you're going to turn it hot dog ways, and fold it again down. Okay, now that you have your first folds done and you have a little square, it's the time for the tricky part. You're going to put your square on the table. You make an L shape with your paper. You put your finger down the center of this fold in the corner, like this, and you flatten your paper down, making a triangle. Now you're going to want to put this flat on the table and crease the edges of your triangle so that your paper looks like this. You're going to do the same step on the other side. So put it flat like this, make that L shape with your paper, put your finger in the center, put the triangle down. Now, we are going to fold our triangle back to its original sides so that the paper is flat, and you should have a triangular shaped piece of paper. Looks like this. Next, we will take our edges and return them to the original position like this so that your paper's flat and everything's on the correct sides. Now, this is the final step in creating our box. We are going to take these folds right here, we're going to take the edges and we're going to fold them into the center like this. And you should have a crease in the center of your paper already. So, you fold the edges in to the center, make your crease. Flip the paper over, repeat the step, and your paper should look something like this so far. So, this is what it looked like, and now you've folded these edges in like this, you've made your creases. Now it's time to make our final fold, and you're going to be folding these edges over. So, I like to make 2 little folds. You could make 1 big fold, you could make 2 little folds, you can make however many folds you can, like this. Flip it over, repeat the step. Make sure that your box is flush at the top. And now we're ready for our final step, which is going to be to pull these 2 apart, and at the point of your box, you will set on the table. You will use your thumb and forefinger to put in the corners of your box like this. Press it down on the table, crease those edges, and you have your box. Happy folding!